Alright, here's a quick update for the GTX and some of the things I'm doing. I'll get into the trunk right here. Got the Holley Sniper EFI Hyperspark distributor. That's coming soon, not exactly sure when. Got the plug wires right here. Is the cooling system, aluminum radiator. Got the air cleaner that's out to be crinkle coated. These are the fans, electronic fans. I'm not going to use the regular fan anymore. Come around the side. It's my wheels, my bare brakes. It's I did that door panel. I put the material on it, cleaned it up. I just finished this this buddy seat. I recovered this myself, painted this stuff and repaired it with some plastic repair stuff. Yep, there it is. There's the shifter. Just got the shifter boot. It's got some parts that hold it into that piece right there, so I've got to cut the carpet around there and then help secure it. So that'd be the shifter boot. Carpet in here's looking good. Just removed from right here, there was an alternator hang in there, which had these wires connected to it, which I've taped off. Looks like they had actually cut the back of the alternator up here, so that's telling me that alternator must have quit. Dash, by the way, it doesn't look too bad. So that's probably something I'm gonna have to deal with. I'm gonna find out real shortly here what's up with that and what I need to do with these two wires that I've got taped off right now. So okay, the clutch isn't quite working yet. I haven't put the Z-bar in. Let me show you the Z-bar for the clutch. The seats, of course, have been done. So I'm working on the Z-bar, which I painted and got new parts for. So it's got like new plastic, and there's Teflon bushings and stuff. There'll be some Teflon going in here. So this is ready to go back into the vehicle. Of course, you know I've got the braking system, new battery, that's plus the tie down. Put on the rebuilt pump. The unit itself has been rebuilt. I did the high pressure hose in here. This is a brand new hose right here. So I kind of arranged it so it has a air cleaner on it. Let's see, you can't see it, but I'm touching it down here. Not an air cleaner, a cooler. Now that cooler used to extend up here in the top, and I actually just flipped it upside down because there's cooler air down there and hot air rises, and the way it was sitting was right up here by this manifold. On the exhaust manifold, I've had that powder coated. It's not just powder coated, it's that heat resistant chemical they put on it. Not Teflon, forget what they call it. Put a new hose on on this vent here. Put my two new hoses from the radiator that go to the heater box, which has been rebuilt. Still, there's where the carburetor is going to end up. Added the new water pump. Not going to have a rotating fan assembly on here, so that's the way that's going to stay. Put the new alternator on. New alternator brackets. These are new. Just down here. All new bracketry. Got this. This is going to go up. This goes up under the transmission. All right. It's coming along. Sort of one step forward, two steps back sometimes. That alternator thing. I'm not exactly sure what's going on with it. And first time I ever powered it up was like this week. And most of the lights actually work. There were some things that weren't working, but I think that dash is going to give me some grief. Not grief, but I won't. I don't mind doing it. But all right, there's your update. It's coming along. Camp Base out.